We have become the third biggest aviation market in the world, domestic aviation market. Now taking it ahead, the demand that is going to be created in the future in various courses, right from planing, crew, maintenance engineers, and the ground handling, fire safety, and other courses that are there. If there is a vision that we want to be with the global standards, bring in all the universities across the world from the best countries, best universities, and create a platform for all of them all together to create an aviation training, learning, skilling academy ecosystem. And this has been the vision of our Chief Minister also, Chandrababu Naidu Garu, who always thinks for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years down the road. So all of this together, we are planning this to be one of the best in the country, and with global standards. So we'd like to especially thank Mansa's Trust under the chairmanship of Ashok Gajpati Raju Garu for donating 136 acres of land for this project, and GMR Group for bringing in the expertise in aviation. We have already seen they are managing multiple airports in the country and also doing a lot of activity around the MRO sector also. So their presence will create a lot of fulcrum for us to bring in all these experts from across the world. And our vision is to train our local youth, train the young people of Andhra Pradesh and the country with the global standards, because we see that there is going to be a huge demand that is going to be created. And our vision in the long run is to have people from outside the country also come and train here. So this is a project with international standards in the vision. So definitely we are going to move in that direction. Today MOU has been signed, and I would like to thank everyone who is supporting this idea. And from the Government of India also, we will be continuously guiding them, facilitating them with whatever needs they have.
English they would have mentioned. You see, what happens is, aviation, one has to understand it. Now, if you want to simply look at it, air is a Government of India subject. Land is a state government subject. But if you don't have land, you can't land. If you don't land, you don't take off. So they have to work in a partnership. The state government and the Government of India, they have to work in a partnership. When they work in a partnership, they achieve certain things. Now that's an important thing. Now we are lucky in a sense that Government of India and state governments, they've decided in the interest of the people to work together. They are no longer looking at personal benefits, which is an excellent thing. That's why Andhra Pradesh is becoming a forerunner. I myself have now kind of left Andhra Pradesh and gone to Goa. My family had tried for its level best to make Andhra Pradesh a 100% literate state, but my late father couldn't see it, and in recent years there has been a slide. Now Lokesh has given us a thing that at least illiteracy will be removed in 3 years. Andhra Pradesh had shown the way to the country. The Chitti Gurulu program, as you see here, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi acknowledged it in Rajya Sabha and brought it in the Mann Ki Baat, and it went round the country. But in Andhra Pradesh we have slided. So we should not slide anymore. We should not make it a greasy pole. Whatever the politics, should not make these things, development, a greasy pole. So that is what the Government of India and the state government are trying. So people like us can resign from a political party. In fact, all governors resign. They don't remain as an active member of any political party. But we can't resign from our families. So that's one reason, because our family was into education, and I also had a background of aviation. So we were interested in getting that ecosystem growing here. And we are fortunate that our children are doing the legwork. Because once you get white hairs, you can't walk around that much. So you can advise. So that physical work all the youngsters are putting in. So we are heartfully thankful to them. And it increases hope in us that we all have a future. And future is always a thing when you get hopes. It goes and grows. And growth, there is no limitation. We have to grow. Change is a continuous process. What should not change is the human value structure. Otherwise, modern change, you have to adapt. If you don't adapt, you will be left behind. World is not going to stop for us. So this is the important thing. So we are happy that these things have come in, and partnerships because strengths. Mansa's education is not in aviation. The strengths are elsewhere. So now Mansas also becomes a part of the aviation ecosystem of education, and this is good. GMR has that expertise. It is well proven throughout the country, and it's good. So these strengths that were there in the North Coastal District, after all, their family origin is Rajam, which is again in our North Coastal Districts. So our North Coastal Districts are working together as team for the upliftment of these parts, which again helps not only the state but the country as a whole, and that generates a satisfaction.